Hey folks, and welcome to Jones Boys Boats. Hey, today is June 21st, first day of summer, and we're having fun here at Jones Boys as usual. We're trying out a 1825 Kingfisher. Here they come right now. It's the 1825 Kingfisher Warrior. Sorry, a little shaky there. There we go, looking good. Air coming around, we get a nice look at it. Beautiful, and you'll see that that's running a Yamaha 115 horsepower 4-stroke jet outboard engine. Gives you about 80 horsepower at the prop. Nice 9.9 Yamaha 4-stroke kicker on the side there also. And that is just a really nice package. You never have to worry about damaging your leg. You can go in shallow water. She's just the perfect little setup. You've seen her here at Jones Boys.